You've tried oils, shampoos, and DIY remedies. But what actually works for hair loss? Here's the truth. Hair loss is more common than you think, but what's not so common? Real treatments that actually deliver results. First up, Finasteride. It's a prescription medication for male pattern baldness. Studies show it can slow hair loss and even trigger regrowth. Next, Minoxidil. It's a topical or oral treatment approved for both men and women. It boosts blood flow to the scalp, helping follicles get the nutrients. Research is exploring even more treatments for male androgenetic alopecia. Important reminder, what works depends on your body. Talk to a healthcare provider to get the right treatment plan for you. Why wait for a doctor's visit when you could check what's going on right now? For free at ubiehealth.com. The Ubie AI Symptom Checker is the only free, doctor-approved AI, trusted by over 12 million users. Don't forget to tap, like, and follow for more real health tips you can trust.